What is a series? What is a geometric progression (GP? How to check whether a series is in GP or not? And what is the nth term of a GPAN? In this video lecture, we are going to find all this. So if you want to know about it, please continue watching. And if you understand this video, please support me by liking my video and also subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification on.
Please like, share and subscribe to this channel FM Education Academy.
Thank you. So what is a series? We know a number of events, objects or people of a similar or related kind coming one after another is called a series. That is, suppose if we take example as set of natural numbers, we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to something are a set of natural numbers. Why? Because we know after 1, 2 comes and after 2, 3 comes, after 3, 4 comes. So here they are coming one after another and this follows some pattern. That is why it is called as series. Now, what is a geometric progression? And the short form of geometric progression is GP. So a geometric progression or GP is also a type of series, that is, it should also have some pattern. So a geometric progression is a sequence such that any element after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding element by a constant called the common ratio, which is denoted by R. That is, in case of arithmetic progression, we know that when we added some constant term, we got a series. Here in case of geometric progression, then we multiply some term after the first term. First term is always A. After the first term, when we multiply by a constant term to second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and so on, then that is called as geometric progression. So remember, in geometric progression it is multiplication. And the common ratio is obtained by dividing any term by the preceding term. That is, common ratio R is equals to A2 we know is second term, A1 is first term, so second term divided by first term or third term divided by second term. Similarly, nth term divided by n minus 1th term. Because it is the ratio of uh, this term by the preceding term, that is before second term first term comes, right? Similarly, third term by before third term second term comes, so second term. And in case of AP we had, it was a difference because that was obtained by adding a term. That is why by finding out the difference, we found out the common difference in case of AP, arithmetic progression. But in case of geometric progression, it is obtained by dividing. Remember that, because here we have multiplication. Geometric progression means it is obtained by multiplying. So that is why common ratio is obtained by dividing. Now, what is the general form of a GP or geometric progression? A1, A2, A3, A4 up to AN. That is, A1 is first term, A2 is second term, A3 is third term, A4 is fourth term, and AN is nth term, right? And we know A1 is equals to A is always the first term, A2 is equals to AR is the second term, A3 is equals to AR square is my third term, A4 is equals to AR cube is my fourth term. Similarly, A5 will be equal to AR power 4 will be my fifth term and so on. And similarly, nth term will be AN. Now, what is R here? R is called as common ratio. We found out right just now. Now, how to check whether a series is in geometric progression or not? So, a given list of numbers A1, A2, A3 up to AN are said to be in GP if the common ratio A2 by A1, A3 by A2, A4 by A3 give the same value. That is, if we divide the second term by first term, we should get the same value when we divide third term by second term and when we divide fourth term by third term. All these three should give me the same value. Then we can say that this pattern is a GP. Okay, that is, all those equal values are called as common ratio. So we can say that the series is in GP if the common ratio A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2 up to AN by AN minus 1 is same. If suppose A2 by A1 is not equal to A3 by A2 and it is not equal to AN by AN minus 1, then we can say that it is not in GP. The condition for the series to be in GP is that the common ratio should be same. Now, what is the nth term of a GPAN? The nth term of a GPAN is equals to A1 into R power n minus 1. What is A1 here? We know A1 is A in case of GP as well as A1 is A in case of AP. So, AN is equals to A into R power n minus 1. And AN is called as general term or the nth term. A1 is first term, that is also equal to A. R is my common ratio and n minus 1 is also this here. N minus 1 is also the same general term. And what is the n value here? The number of terms which are present in the series are called as n. In your syllabus of SSC and CBSE, you don't have the formula to find out sum of number of terms in case of GP. Only three formulas you have. That is, you should know what is the general pattern of GP: A, AR, AR square, AR cube, where A1 is equals to A2 is equals to AR, A3 is equals to AR square, A4 is equals to AR cube, and the term is an. This you should know, and then you should know what is the common ratio R, A2 by A1, that is equals to A3 by A2, and that is equals to AN by N minus 1. Then you should know how to check whether a series is in GP or not, and then you should know the formula of nth term, which is AN is equals to A into R by N minus 1. That's it for GP. Hope you have understood the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and also turn the bell notification on. I am very thankful to you all. Stay blessed.